Well, spring is now here and the reticulation ban has now been lifted. But is your garden and reticulation ready? Let's ask the experts at Total Eden. So Steve, what should we be doing to prepare our gardens for summer?
Okay, the first thing we should be doing is switching the controller on for a start. We should be testing our zones to see what problems we have. The next step would be to make repairs to your pop-ups and nozzles and get them in the right direction. Next thing to make sure that they work correctly would be to cut around the grass around the surrounds of the sprinkler so they get free access to move up and down and spray. Then reprogram your controller and then recheck.
So if you need help or have a problem with your reticulation, call into your local Total Eden store, or why not get our mates at Jim's Mowing to do a system check and fix any problems for you. Check out totaleden.com.au for all your reticulation needs, or you can call Jim's Mowing on 131 546 to do it for you.